Hi everyone, I just quickly wanted to come on here and show you our new DPA setup. So in Studio, if I go under Dynamic, you'll be able to see DCO and DPA now. So DPA, I can either create a new data source or choose an existing. So if I choose this one and I go back into my workspace and I double click, I'll be able to, on this module, choose, for example, title for product title, go under price and say this one needs to be mapped with the value of price. With my image, I need to go over to the right-hand menu under data source field and say image. Now I've connected all of my elements to my data. And then if I go back into the dynamic in left-hand menu and press on the eye, I'll be able to see how all of my data that I've mapped in my workspace looks and change between them all. So yeah.